Hi ladies! Okay, so this is my third and final video for this topic of pregnancy and TTCing and all that. So my first video was my signs and symptoms for my big fat positive. The second one was what we did differently to get pregnant this month, and now my third is my pregnancy update and bump shot, all those lovely things. So I am 4.5 weeks pregnant. Oh my goodness. Like I said in my last video, I've already overtaken 3 out of my 4 pregnancies when I had my miscarriages. So I've already got further than I had with the last ones, if that makes sense. I have had so much nipple pain, it is unbelievable, and I think it makes it a lot worse because I have my breast implants and they feel so big and so swollen, it's unbelievable. My nipples are like ridiculously like out like this, regardless of whether it's cold or not. Even if I just like brush against my nipple, I'm like, oh my god, that really hurt. At the moment, I am managing to drink loads of water, and I think that helps a lot with my energy, because I remember with Charlie's pregnancy, I would just lay in bed all the time and just like sip little bits of water, and I think that didn't help with my nausea as well, because I found that like if you need a wee, or if you are dehydrated, or if you're hungry, you literally feel so sick. And I remember my nausea coming at around 5 or 6 weeks with Charlie. I have had on and off, but it's more kind of because I'm hungry. I am finding that I'm absolutely craving cooking. I hate cooking, like really meaty dishes. Like the other day I cooked spaghetti bolognese. Day before that I cooked like a bacon pasta bake. Day before that I cooked meatballs. Day before and then last night, and then the night before last, I cooked lamb steaks. And I think it's because I don't actually get a lot of meat in my diet that my body's like really craving it. I'm also craving bananas, and I hate bananas. I absolutely detest bananas, but for some reason I really want bananas. Hot chocolate probably was my biggest craving at the beginning of my pregnancy, when I didn't even know I was pregnant. I would have maybe 1 hot chocolate in the morning and then I would eat breakfast afterwards, but I would never have a hot chocolate like in between meals, or I wouldn't really think to do that because, I don't know, because it's so sweet and you don't really want it after a heavy meal. But I was drinking like 3 or 4 hot chocolates at work. Like I'd bring a little pot of hot chocolate in and I would be drinking it so much. And it had to be like half water, half milk, so it's like really milky, and it was just so strange. I really wanted also like those fizzy sweets, and now as I've progressed in my pregnancy, I literally just open the fridge and I'm like, yeah, I don't know what I want. And I'd open the cupboard and be like, yeah, nothing jumps out at me that I really want. I am feeling a little bit bloated. My tiredness, oh my goodness. I go to bed at like 9 o'clock at night because I'm just so tired. I think that's the only real symptoms I've got this month. I will show you my tummy though. Obviously guys, I've had 2 children already. I've been pregnant. This is my 7th pregnancy now, so it's mostly bloat and like fat and everything, but I will show you just for the purpose of this video. So here's with my top off. Literally, it's all just loads of fat really. And there's a little crease there, which I had with my other pregnancies. So I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you guys have got any hints or tips or anything like that to do with like nausea and what you guys did, please leave them in the comments down below. I am currently taking a 7C's pregnancy vitamin with added ginger. I think it's got is it B6 or B12 in it? It's the one that's like anti-nausea. Anti-nausea, that's not even a word. I'm also finding my hair is super greasy. It's just, I wash it and then like maybe a day or so later, it's just lank and greasy. I'm also finding that I am so grumpy. I am so grumpy, guys, and it's over really silly things. Like Matt will be like messing around in the kitchen and like I'll be like, why did you do it like that? Why did you need to do it like that? And I was just like, I'm like, who is this person? I was so grumpy. And like Harry would be like, oops, I've spilt my drink, and normally I'd be like, oh, never mind, let's just get some kitchen towel. And I'm like, you can get your own kitchen towel. Who am I? So I do hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to me for free to follow my journey, and I will see you in my next video. Bye ladies.